Hello students, today we will start the chapter a real number. Okay. Before we discuss the real number, let us will discuss some previous concepts. You know about the term natural number, that is 1, 2 up to infinite. Whole number, that is starts from 0, 1, 2 up to infinite. Actually in set theory in higher classes you will know this is natural number set, that is n set. This is W. Integers, that is 0, 1, 2 like this, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like this up to infinite. Then rational numbers. These are the numbers in the form of P by Q, where Q not is equal to 0, P and Q are integers. Okay? Then a real number. This is Q set, this is R set. This we will discuss. Real numbers means all these numbers along with root 2, root 3, root 5, minus root 2, minus root 11 like this, 2 root 3, 2 root 5 like this, root 2, root 5, root 50, 2 root 7 like this, minus root 3, minus root 7. All these numbers are real numbers. Actually what will happen, these are not expressed in the form of P by Q. The numbers which are expressed in the form of P by Q, those are rational numbers, and those numbers which cannot express in the form of P by Q, that is irrational number. You know about in class 9 the finite decimals. Finite decimals can express in the form of P by Q. Recurring decimals, they are also expressed in the form of P by Q. All these are rational numbers. But non-terminating, non-recurring decimals are known as irrational number. So we will discuss briefly about the real numbers along with Euclid division lemma, then how to find the SF LCM. Then again we will discuss the irrational numbers and terminating numbers. Okay? There are 4 exercises in your book, in your syllabus or in your NCERT book. There are 4 exercises. Okay? We will discuss one by one. After that, we will discuss some previous year question. Along with, I provide you some more important previous year question and along with hard questions. It's okay? So let us enter into the chapter.